Good morning to all viewers, participants. I am Pradeep Kumar Dubey, former Head Physics Department, PMB Gujarati Science College, Indore. Presently, I am associated with Indian Association of Physics Teachers, Instrument Society of India, Glass Blowing Society, and my main interest is demonstration of fundamentals of physics to students belongs to remote area, rural area, from 9 to 12th, particularly in those areas where nobody is going to do this type of activity. So my objective is to enjoy physics with the students, and my way of working is that student should do it. In so many programs, the title is Do It Yourself. So students will see, then they will do it, will perform that thing. It happens in many times that I was unable to set the setup, but student came and they set it. So my this in this Khandelwal stage science show, this theme is related with center of mass, center of gravity. Center of mass is a very beautiful aspect. Means at which the mass of entire object considered to be concentrated. The point, the center of mass, is the point at which entire mass of the entire object considered to be concentrated. And if at this point is given some support, the entire body will be supported and the body will be balanced. You see, we are having a system, and if we find out the center of mass, and if we give the support, then the system will be balanced. So we will use thing. First, for this demonstration, I am using a question mark, and this question mark, it's a wooden piece. You can see it clearly, and it is having a notch at this point, and we want that this question mark should be kept at the tip of this finger, and if we keep it here, it will fall down. We want that it should stay here at this tip of this finger. Okay, it's an interesting setup. Students are enjoying this. They are coming to stage, and they will see it carefully. They will draw the sketch of this question mark on their copy, and then so for this purpose we are using a belt. So this is belt. If you are having a leather belt, it's all right. If you are not having, then it may create some problem. But if leather belt is there, then it will work in a proper way. So in this notch, I will fix this belt. And I'm putting it this at this. So you can see that this, if the point where the whole mass of the system is concentrated is given some support, the whole system will be balanced. You can see that I am putting this question mark at the tip of my finger. I will show you the close up. See this thing. And the other thing I want to show that the lower terminal of the belts, lower end, they are moving towards my hand. See it. They are not going away. They are moving towards. They are toward. So the center of mass is towards this tip of the finger. See it carefully. So this is an interesting setup. I'm using one boy student as a volunteer, and he will keep this question mark on this finger with the help of belt and move throughout this hall. Second thing I want to show, a girl is moving on the rope. If we are going to market, we will find that a rope is there and this girl is walking on it. So we are having a CD, circular disc is here, and on this I want to put this circular disc on the tip of this wire like this. But if I leave it, it will fall down. But the girl can walk on the rope easily. But the situation is slightly different, that that girl is having hands and he is keeping away his hand. So the center of mass of the system is balanced. So we no hands are there in this circular test. So what we are doing, we are creating hands. So for this purpose, I am using these clips. 4 clips are there, and it is this second one is attached to this one, third one is this one, fourth one is this one, in the similar way, like this. I'm putting it here. So in this way I can keep this circular disc on the tip of this wire. So I am using 4 clips, set of 4 clips. This one string is there, another string is here. And the important thing is here, I have to keep these 2 strings very close to each other. If I want to keep them away, it is not easy to fix this circular disc on the tip. We have to take much more effort, because these clips are uh, lightweight clips. Weight is low in comparison to weight of the CD. And anyway, if we blow it, you will see that the balance is slightly disturbed. If we'll blow it with if we blow in a controlled way, then this will rotate on this. Right. Now, in this, I will change the system slightly and doing this one. The same system, both the string have the same pattern. This lower terminal, lower, lower, lower. Again, it is this one. Now I will put like this. This one. This is the horizontal. Here the disc, the CD, the circular disc is in horizontal plane, and it is similar to the flying bird. And the beak is attached to a point, and these are the feather of that bird. If you blow it, now the problem is that these clips are they are lightweight, so the system getting easily disturbed. So we will use some other clips which are having higher weights, more weights. And we can enjoy the setup. Actually, this beauty of this center of mass, students, particularly school students, are enjoying very much. And seeing this colorful setup, they are coming towards the setup and trying to set it by their own. So I am changing this clips. If some problem is there in the alignment, then it will create problem. See here in this setup, the clips are having rather more weight than the previous one, so we can fix them in a slightly more distance. The distance between these two strings are higher, more. If I will rotate this one, by rotating the bass, you can see this system is also rotating. By blowing it, the CD is also rotating about this tip. Now, in a horizontal plane, this can be put like this. More vibrations are there, still the whole system is balanced. If you are having slightly uh, thicker clips which are having higher weights, then for more vibrations, the balance is there. System is not getting disturbed easily if the weight of the clips is more. So you can see it. By blowing, you can make it is rotating about the tip. Easily rotating without getting disturbed. But with those lighter clip, this much movement is not there. Movement is there. Still, if you do it very precisely, you can have this same phenomenon, same effect there. But with this heavy one, it is easy to have this. So this one is now I'm having one more third setup. I'm having a aluminum pipe. This aluminum pipe. Definitely center of mass, center of gravity is somewhere here. Okay. So this I am keeping like this. I'm putting one more finger here. So if I want, I can, and I'm slightly shifting this finger here, just like this. Okay. Now this finger is near to center of mass, and this finger is away from the center of mass. So if I want to move this finger, I can easily move this finger. But that finger which is near to center of mass, if I will try to move it, so I will find that this is not possible. This finger can move, but the pipe kept on this also move with this finger. It appears that this pipe is fixed with this finger, right? So means if you want, this finger is away from center of mass, this finger is near center of mass, and if you want that this finger which is near to center of mass should move in such a way that this pipe should not get disturbed. This if it moves, then this pipe will get disturbed. Means if we want that this finger should move only and not the pipe, so this will get down, and this can easily move. Suppose, so I am using this property, this suppose this is a house and people are renovating the house. So during renovation, what they are doing, they are removing some beam, column, walls. So as per this demonstration, first they should find out the center of gravity of that house. And suppose this is house and center of gravity is here. So you can remove anything here. The house is not getting disturbed. This pipe is there. It is properly balanced. But if you want to remove anything near the center of mass, this whole system is moving. Means if you remove something near to center of mass, some beam, column, wall, then the whole house will be collapsed. So these are the three different setup which I want to demonstrate, and during this center of mass, center of gravity explanation, and students, particularly school students, enjoy these very much. My phone number is 9425059796. Again, I am this 9425059796, and email ID is PKD. My name is P K Dubey, so it is PKD at the rate PKD at the rate tatanagar.com. tatanagar.com. Thank you very much.